special video for a special people. So not just for you, but also for me. We're gonna try to answer the question that many of you are probably asking yourself right now. Is the Bitcoin bull run over? Well, I'm about to present you a chart on the Google search trends that is about to put you in the right perspective. But not only that, I'm about to show you a Bitcoin chart that will confirm your long-term perspective, show you everything you need to know, and at the same time show you nothing at all. So if that sounds interesting, stick around, because I'm about to share with you something that means the world to me and that you were a part of. Join me. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, a very special thing happened just a few days ago. Cryptosaurus channel hit 1,000 subscribers milestone. 2 words I want to share with you. Thank you. And after those 2 words, a few more. Thank you from the bottom of my dinosaur cold-hearted heart. You made me so happy, and you made this possible because I'm making these videos for you, my viewers, my subscribers. We are forming a powerful community, a crypto pack that is roaming the crypto lands and conquering the world of this new technology, the price action that is following it. Because as I said on our 100 subscribers video celebration, and be sure to check that one out, you were not here where dinosaurs ruled the world, but you are here now when cryptos are about to conquer the entire financial world. Thank you for being a part of this crypto pack. We are powerful together. We are not the herd of dinosaurs. We are a powerful pack that is using strategies and tactics and their own minds to conquer the prey, to conquer those profits. Remember, big things are ahead of us. Do you know what 1,000 people look like? Here it is. 1,000 individuals in one pack, our crypto pack. Pick your spot, pick your square from where you will react on the changes in the crypto market. I am here to provide a value for each and every one of you, and you are here to provide a value to me and everybody else in this community. And I really hope you are agreeing with me. Once again, a big thank you, but don't be fooled, we have just started. And now, let's head to the Bitcoin charts, to that value that I am providing to you. Roar with me. If you want to become part of our growing community, become one amongst the thousands, click the subscribe button, the little red button, and join us. We are happy to welcome you in roaming the crypto lands. If you want to tip the dinosaur, be my guest for where and how, check out the description. And if you just want to join this video, go ahead. What you are seeing on the screen is a Bitcoin as a search term on Google Trends. In the last 5 years, people were searching for Bitcoin according to this chart. What I'm about to show you is for those who think that Bitcoin is over with the bull run. But no, ladies and gentlemen, what you are seeing on the screen is a clear proof that we have just started. Let me guide you through the motions of Bitcoin. First of all, the first spike is the first point of reference that we're gonna take. You remember the great bull run, the overall madness of the retail investors. Everybody was trying to get in. When the Bitcoin peaked at $20,000, it was clear that this is not sustainable. But at the same time, people were deluded. Emotions of extreme greed has overtaken them. And why am I showing you this right now? Just because of this, what is happening right now. If we take into account that this is the value of 100, the peak, the maximum measure, we are now at 68. Let me repeat that one more time. This is 100, this is 68. So at $20,000, at the end of 2017, we were at 100 maximum value of this search term algorithm. Today, in these days, we peaked at $42,000 Bitcoin, but we are still at 68 of this metrics of this whole chart. And what is this indicating to you? Well, I will tell you my interpretation. We are so early in this bull run and already at $40,000 level. Not even all the people that came in this 2017 bubble are in here already. Just take into account when those levels and those people reach again a maximum interest that we had in 2017, what will happen to the price of Bitcoin? That is for your mind to decide. That is just speculation. But the far greater number than $42,000. And not even that. What I'm trying to say is this. It's just a matter of perspective. Your perspective, which should be long term, because the long term perspective will give you the right answer to all your questions. What I'm saying is this. Pick a road, something like this. Let's say this is a road that is taking us from the point A to the point B. Now, pick a bump on that road. And for this example, let's use this bump. It looks kind of sweet. And let's use this, our well-known mega bump. What I'm trying to say is this. In a few months' time, we will surpass, in this move that we are right now, we will surpass this highs of 2017. The interest of people that we had 3 years ago will be overtaken by even more interest in Bitcoin. People who never heard of Bitcoin in the last bull run in a few months will be exhilarated and want to own Bitcoin. This high will be surpassed at one point. In my opinion, 2021 is the year when that will happen. And after that, focus on one thing. For example, this fractal. I am telling you that this little bump, this will be our 2017 bubble. I am saying to you that this huge surge to the upside will become this, and we will be facing with the new upside targets. We will have a new tower in the sky, but with a completely new set of investors, with a whole lot of bunch of people that, as I said, never heard of Bitcoin and don't care about Bitcoin right now. When that happens, this will become this. So when I say, is the Bitcoin bull run over, as the title of the video said, my absolute answer is not even close, because you haven't seen nothing yet. When you're in doubt that we have a top on one of the Bitcoin peaks in the near future, just revert back to this chart and think about it. If this was our Bitcoin top at $42,000, wouldn't we surpass at least the interest that we had in 2017? Absolutely. And that will happen. You just have to wait. And now, when we're talking about perspective, about your long-term investors' perspective, I want to show you one more chart that, as I said on the beginning of the video, will show you everything, but at the same time, absolutely nothing. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the chart of Bitcoin profitable days. Our source, as you can see, is lookintobitcoin.com, and this is a great stuff for all of you that want to look into deeper analysis on some of the fundamental, mind-blowing, I might say, Bitcoin charts. What is it? What is a Bitcoin profitable days chart? Because as you can see, we are not having much on the screen. Just a regular Bitcoin chart. One line, nothing more. Here's the answer. So, Bitcoin profitable days is showing us number of days in Bitcoin's traded history where holding Bitcoin has been profitable relative to today's price. Bitcoin profitable days chart highlights the aggressive growth of Bitcoin's adoption curve over time, which is reflected in its price. A clear answer why the price of Bitcoin is rising is because supply is limited and demand grows, so logically, and vice versa, price must move up. How you can use this chart as an investor? It demonstrates the importance of understanding the market cycles of Bitcoin to avoid buying market cycle tops. When we're at cycle top, the drawdowns can last a long time, around 2 to 3 years in previous cycles, and that's what we just witnessing. It took us around 3 years for Bitcoin to surpass its all-time highs to 2017. Just a few weeks ago, we were below $20,000. Now hovering around that $40,000. So this indicator is just a Bitcoin price that is telling you, are you in profit or are you not in profit? But I will show you on one psychological evidence on why this chart is so special. And as I said, did I show you anything for now? No, nothing. And nothing with this chart is showing you anything that you don't know already. But once again, it's the matter of perspective. Now how about we zoom in a bit? Because we don't need all this price section. Okay, now, this is better. The point is, when you see a green price on the screen, that means whenever you bought in the past, you are in the profit. When you see red at that levels, you are not in profit. As today stands, number of days profitable holding Bitcoin, 3,797. From the total number of days, 3,087. By percentage, profitable days holding Bitcoin, 99.7%. So, anytime, literally anytime you bought Bitcoin from its inception, 99.7% time you would be in profit. Now all of this on the screen is a green price, right? Because anytime you bought, well, you would be in profit, except for this little bump, little red spike. This is that 0.3%, 0.3% I would say, that you wouldn't be in profit. So just a few days of Bitcoin's history, you wouldn't be profitable. Now why am I showing you this? Let's say you bought Bitcoin like a dumb money, right at the peak of $20,000. And since you are dumb money, and I am too, you are riding that way. You are in the red all of this time. Red, red, red. It never gets green. Until recently. At this point, you are green, green, green. So even the one who bought the top of 2017 is in profit. Well, you're not looking so dumb now, right? The dumb money is not so dumb after all. The point of this video is your perspective, and the answer to the question, is now a good time to buy Bitcoin? And when is the best time to buy Bitcoin? Ladies and gentlemen, the answer is yesterday. Because any time that was yesterday, that was a week ago, that was a month ago, that was 1, 2, 3 years ago, you will now be in profit. If you want to invest in Bitcoin, don't wait for the magical sign that is showing you buy Bitcoin now. Just buy Bitcoin on a regular basis, anywhere. Because as you can see, if you bought on this bull run, if you bought on this entire bear market, you are in profit. It doesn't matter, you are not in profit just if you bought on this absolute peak around $40,000. And mark my words, even if you did that, you will be in profit in a few weeks. Because nothing, and absolutely nothing, can stop Bitcoin in this bull run. It has just begun. Once again, is the bull run over? Not by a long shot. We have just begun. So, are you at the beginning of liking this video? I hope you are. And if you aren't, check out one of these videos that I'm pointing at you right now, because in there might be the right answer for your question. And now, see you at the moon.